In its latest regulatory filing, chip giant Nvidia disclosed that during the fourth quarter of last year, it sold shares of 3 tech companies and increased its holdings in 2 others. This news led to a 2.6% rise in Nvidia's stock on Friday, closing at $138.85. Over the past 2 weeks, Nvidia has shown strong performance, nearly recovering from the losses caused by the DeepSeek. According to the 13F filing submitted to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, Nvidia completely divested from the following companies. NNOX Imaging and NNOX specializes in AI-driven medical imaging technology. SERV Robotics SERV develops autonomous delivery robots. SOUN SOUN provides voice-based AI technology. Additionally, Nvidia reduced its stake in ARM Holdings by approximately 44%, retaining 1.1 million shares. On the other hand, Nvidia acquired new shares in NBIS Group. NBIS offers AI-centric cloud computing infrastructure. WeRide, a Chinese autonomous driving company. Nvidia also maintained its investments in Applied Digital APLD and Recursion Pharmaceuticals RXRX. Following Nvidia's increased investment, WeRide's stock price surged 83.5% on Friday, closing at $31.50. WeRide, which went public on Nasdaq last October, focuses on driverless taxi services and currently operates in 30 cities across 9 countries. Nvidia's 1.7 million shares in WeRide, valued at $54.76 million, stem from an early strategic investment made in 2017. Nvidia continues to support WeRide's use of its GPUs and AI software to advance autonomous driving technology. NBIS's stock also saw a 6.7% increase, closing at $44.49. The company provides AI cloud computing platforms designed for intensive AI workloads. Nvidia holds 1.2 million shares in NBIS, valued at $53 million. NBIS originated from a spin-off of Yandex, often referred to as Russia's Google, and boasts strong technical capabilities. Conversely, Nvidia reduced its holdings in ARM Holdings to 1.1 million shares, with the remaining stake valued at approximately $180 million. This move led to a 3.2% decline in ARM's stock price, closing at $159.54. ARM is a leading provider of chip architectures and intellectual property, collaborating with tech giants like Apple and Nvidia. Meanwhile, Applied Digital's stock rose by 15.2%, closing at $9.11. Nvidia holds 7.7 million shares in Applied Digital, valued at $70 million, representing about 3% of the company's shares. Applied Digital focuses on high-performance computing and digital infrastructure, operating data centers across North America to serve industries requiring substantial computing power. These centers support activities ranging from cryptocurrency mining to AI and machine learning applications. The company collaborates with local utility providers to alleviate grid stress and promote renewable energy development. Recursion Pharmaceuticals experienced a significant 23.9% increase in its stock price, closing at $10.53. Nvidia's early $50 million investment in Recursion has grown to 7.7 million shares, now valued at $81 million, accounting for approximately 2% of the company's shares. Additionally, ARK Investment is the second largest shareholder, holding 30.35 million shares, 8.2% stake, and SoftBank Group recently increased its holdings by 14.66 million shares. Recursion Pharmaceuticals is a U.S.-based biotech firm that integrates biology, chemistry, automation, and AI to expedite drug discovery and development. Utilizing their proprietary Recursion operating system, they conduct up to 2.2 million experiments weekly, significantly reducing drug development timelines. The company focuses on treatments for rare genetic disorders and certain cancers, partnering with major pharmaceutical companies like Roche and Bayer. In August 2024, Recursion announced plans to acquire British peer Exscientia for $688 million, aiming to strengthen its position in AI-driven drug discovery. In contrast, the companies from which Nvidia divested experienced sharp declines. NNOX Imaging dropped 11%, closing at $6.72. SERV Robotics fell 40%, closing at $13.85. SOUN AI decreased 28%, closing at $10.97. Currently, Nvidia, ARM, and NBIS are featured on the IBD Tech Leaders list, attracting significant market attention. Nvidia's strategic shift, emphasizing autonomous driving and AI cloud computing, indicates a focused investment in AI infrastructure and cloud services, moving away from areas like voice recognition technology. Industry experts view these portfolio adjustments as part of Nvidia's broader strategic realignment. Investors are closely monitoring these developments to assess future market trends. It's important to note that Nvidia's holdings reports are delayed by several months. While they offer insight into investment directions, individual investors should exercise discretion regarding specific buying or selling decisions. For instance, we also sold out SOUN and invested in NBIS and Applied Digital late last year, aligning with Nvidia's actions. We have set a short-term target price of $54 for NBIS, which we anticipate achieving next week, with a long-term goal exceeding $80. Our entry point for Applied Digital was $8, with a short-term target of $12 and a long-term target above $20. However, we advise against purchasing WeRide at this time, as its stock experienced multiple rapid trades on Friday. Similarly, it is prudent to avoid rushing into SOUN and SERV robotics. Recently, the application of artificial intelligence in the healthcare sector has gained widespread attention, particularly with the rise of technologies like DeepSeek, which has accelerated the rapid development of the AI healthcare sector. Renowned investor Kathy Wood has publicly stated that healthcare is the most undervalued AI application sector today. She emphasized that the immense potential of AI in drug development and precision diagnostics has yet to be fully recognized by the market. Additionally, stock god of Capitol Hill Nancy Pelosi purchased 50 call options for Tempus AI, expiring in 2026, on January 14, showing confidence in the AI plus precision medicine field. Since Pelosi's investment was disclosed, Tempus AI stock price has doubled. The company specializes in applying AI technology to precision medicine, improving treatments for diseases such as cancer through data analysis. At the corporate level, Firefly Neuroscience AIFF announced this week that it has been approved to join Nvidia's Connect program. The company plans to use its FDA-approved brain network analysis technology platform to build the world's first proprietary foundation model for the human brain. Following this announcement, AIFF stock price skyrocketed fourfold in 3 days. According to ARK Invest's Big Ideas 2025 annual report, AI is set to revolutionize multi-omics tools, drug development, and molecular diagnostics while significantly increasing the economic returns of pharmaceuticals. The report predicts that AI will reduce the cost of reading and writing biological information like DNA by 100x and 1000x, respectively, decrease drug development costs by 4x, while increasing R&D investment returns by 5 by, improve cancer screening efficiency 20x, expanding the market size 10x. Make AI-driven drugs 20x more commercially valuable than standard drugs and 2.4x more valuable than best-in-class precision medicine. At the 2025 International Consumer Electronics Show CES in the digital healthcare sector, Goldman Sachs highlighted that AI plus healthcare will become a core investment theme, attracting global capital. Nvidia's head of healthcare and life sciences stated that by 2025, AI will have transformative impacts on 3 key areas of healthcare: smart agents, enhancing patient medical experiences, alleviating healthcare worker shortages, and reducing rising care costs; robotic assistants for complex surgical tasks, trained and tested in virtual environments. These AI-powered surgical robots will collaborate with human doctors to improve precision and efficiency. Generative AI tools for drug development. By generating, predicting, and optimizing molecular models, AI will shift drug discovery towards proactive design and engineering, reducing R&D timelines and costs. 2025, the breakout year for AI healthcare commercialization? 3 key drivers are fueling AI's impact on healthcare. Technological breakthroughs. The development of multimodal large models is unlocking new opportunities for AI in healthcare. Capital investment. Morgan Stanley forecasts that from 2024 to 2025, global cloud giants will spend nearly $380 billion on cloud infrastructure, $50 billion more than the total spent over the past 3 years. This will provide strong support for AI healthcare infrastructure. Policy and demand synergy. By 2030, the global population aged 65 will reach 1 billion, leading to an increased demand for medical resources. At the same time, healthcare workforce shortages will make AI a necessary replacement for human labor. From an application perspective, AI tools like DeepSeek help businesses reduce costs, improve efficiency, and enhance profitability. AI is playing a crucial role in enhancing medical devices, interpreting diagnostic test results, assisting clinical decision-making, and improving health management. Healthcare companies and hospitals must embrace AI-driven innovation to stay competitive and strengthen their industry position. Global tech giants including Microsoft, IBM, Google, and Nvidia are heavily investing in AI healthcare and partnering with medical institutions. International investors are also prioritizing this sector. In the long run, AI's impact on healthcare is expected to be one of its most profound applications. AI healthcare stock updates. HIMS, a telemedicine company, has surged 1.7x in 2 months. With the turnover rate exceeding 20% on Thursday and Friday, our system has issued a significant deviation warning signal. Investors should take profits or sell to avoid a potential sharp pullback. TDOC TDOC, a pandemic cure telemedicine leader, recently acquired Catapult Health, expanding into preventive care and virtual healthcare. Substantial capital inflows and increased trading volume indicate strong investor interest. If you missed HIMS, TDOC is worth watching. Pacific Biosciences PACB, this week's earnings report exceeded expectations, driving a 25% surge in stock price. The company specializes in advanced gene sequencing systems. ARK Invest is its largest shareholder, holding 36.04 million shares, 12.5% stake, and SoftBank recently increased its holdings by 20.45 million shares. This low-price stock is ideal for bottom-fishing investors. ABSI, after a 25% gain this week, the stock has doubled in a month. With strong capital inflows in an upward trend, investors can continue holding. AI software stock updates. AI application software has been on a strong uptrend this year, with several companies reporting better than expected earnings and seeing sharp stock price increases. AI-powered advertising company APP, after a 24% post-earnings surge, the stock hit a new all-time high. Fiscal 2020 for net profit soared 344% to $1.577 billion, with EPS at 4.68 target average price, $513, with a high target of $630. Lesson: don't short strong stocks just because you think they're overvalued. To make more money, expand your knowledge. Confluent CFLT. This AI data company exceeded earnings expectations, prompting analysts to raise price targets. The stock has risen 40% from its double bottom pattern, with increasing trading volume and capital inflows. Expect further gains after a pullback to moving averages. ZETA Global ZETA, after a brief consolidation, the AI marketing stock resumed its uptrend, climbing 40% from recent lows. With strong capital inflows and a robust uptrend, it remains a hold. Our target: a 2x increase. Upcoming earnings alert. Bilibili. Let's talk about Bilibili, a Chinese stock we are closely watching. BILI is set to release earnings on February 20th pre-market. Expected revenue: 7.635 billion yuan, up 20% YoY. Expected EPS: 0.18 yuan, signaling a return to profitability. Bilibili began an uptrend this month, with strong capital inflows and a buy signal on Wednesday. The Hong Kong-listed BILI has also seen heavy institutional buying for a month straight, with record-high inflows over the past 2 days. We are holding BILI, considering it our top Chinese stock pick. If Bilibili achieves profitability, it would be a major milestone, and we have a long-term price target of $100 plus. Final takeaway: today's analysis covered Nvidia's latest holdings and strategic investments, including autonomous driving and AI cloud computing, the explosive growth of AI in healthcare, driven by DeepSeek and other innovations. Key updates on AI healthcare and software stocks. Upcoming Bilibili earnings to watch next week. The AI revolution in healthcare is just beginning, and 2025 could be a breakthrough year for commercialization. If you enjoy our videos, remember to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on exciting content.